Welcome to this fascinating video where we explore the powerful world of military advancements, focusing on the FATA 110 missile. Marveling Iranian ingenuity since its successful test in 2002, this short-range, solid-fuel, surface-to-surface ballistic missile has been a game-changer. Iran's FATA A110 initially had a range of 300 significant impact with its 500 kg warhead. Designed to replace older models and increase accuracy, this missile has evolved over generations and expanded its range and capabilities. Join us as we explore the history, development, and strategic importance of the FATA A110 missile, a key player in Iran's defense arsenal. FATA 110 is an Iranian two-stage solid-fuel ballistic missile that was successfully tested in 2002. This missile is produced by the Air and Space Organization, a subsidiary of the Ministry of Defense and the support of the Iranian Armed Forces. The main model of this missile has a range of about 300 km. Its launch weight is 3,450, of which 500 kg is the warhead. This missile, which is 8 meters and 86 km long, is most likely built based on the Zelzel-2 rocket, and it is a guided type and has a Zelzel eye control system. FATA 110 was completed to replace the old Zelzel-1 missile in 2000. The fourth generation of this missile, which was introduced in 2012, has a range of 400 km. After the Iran-Iraq War, the Iranian military felt the need for a short-range precision missile. Iran Zelzel and Nazat missiles lacked the necessary accuracy due to the lack of a guidance system. After the investigations, a project to build a missile to replace the Zelzel and Nazat missiles was defined and entrusted to Shahid Bagheri Industries. The development of the missile started in 1994 in Zelzel. It was chosen as the base. The missile was tested for the first time in 2002, and after some time it reached mass production. The range of this missile was 300 years later. In 2004, the optimized version of FATA 110 was tested. This missile, which has a range of 250 km, is also placed for export. It seems that the Syrians could not produce this missile by themselves until 2007. The so-called Syrian missile is most likely based on the model that was unveiled in 2004. In 2010, the next version of this missile was tested. This version, known as the third generation FATA 110, had a range of 300 km, greater accuracy, and the ability to maintain in different regions of Iran. An Iranian TV showed the scene of the missile hitting the ground. In 1990, Iran unveiled its first anti-ship ballistic missile called the Persian Gulf missile. This missile is a version of FATA 110 whose guidance system has been modified to be suitable for combating ships. In 2011, Iran unveiled the fourth generation of FATA 110 missiles by installing a targeting system on the missile. Also, with the successful testing of this system, other Iranian missiles will be equipped with this technology in the coming years. This missile was used in the Hadaka operation and targeted the headquarters of the Kurdistan Democratic Party of Iraq. In this attack, 16 members of Hadaka were killed, including 6 members of the Central Committee of this group. In 2021, the Mossad base in the Iraqi city of Erbil was attacked with FATA 110 missiles. In an interview, Joe Biden claimed that the Russian forces are trying to prepare this type of missile for the war with Ukraine. The Washington Post also claimed that these missiles were sent to Russia. This possibility was confirmed by some Iranian media. These missiles have been provided to the forces of Lebanon Hezbollah. This missile was used in a retaliatory operation year 2023. A Kurdish businessman house in Iraqi Kurdistan, who was the owner of Falcon Group and responsible for exporting oil from Iraqi Kurdistan to Israel, was hit by several missiles. The IRGC stated in announcements that the headquarters of ISIS Mossad and the American consulate were attacked in this attack. FATA 110 missile is on the same level as the Zelzal 2 missile in terms of dimensions. But in addition to the Zelzal 4 fixed blocks, there are 4 fixed triangular blocks at the end of the missile and 4 mobile blocks at its head, which are responsible for changing the direction and guiding the missile. It has 4 movable blocks in its head. They are responsible for changing the direction and guiding the missile. The weight of this missile when launched is 3,450, with 500 kg as the warhead. This missile is 8 meters and 86 km long. The diameter of this rocket is 61. Its fuel is solid at one stage. The speed of this missile has been stated as Mach 3. The type of guidance of this missile is inertia, with the ability to guide until the last moment. In some types of optical guidance, this missile is capable of hitting land and sea targets with an error of less than 10 meters. The warhead of this missile is detachable. The weight and volume of this missile have provided the ability to be fired from a mobile platform. The effective range of this missile is 300 km, but it can hit up to 550 km. Finally, we conclude that the FATA 110 missile is a significant part of Iran's military technology advancements and its defense capabilities in the international arena. Over time, this missile has turned from a research project into a key weapon in Iran's defense strategy. The use of this missile in various operations shows its high capabilities in accurate targeting and flexibility in dealing with different threats. FATA 110, due to its continuous evolution and improvements, will continue to act as an effective deterrent on various fronts and play an important role in maintaining regional security and stability. Through this video, we hope you have gained a broader perspective on the importance of new technologies in the field of defense. Thank you for being with us and hope to see you in the next videos.